Welcome to our channel. Are you searching for the perfect GPS to enhance your motorcycle rides? Look no further. In this video, we're diving into the top 7 best motorcycle GPS devices of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a weekend warrior, these GPS units will provide accurate navigation, reliable performance, and essential features to make your journeys smoother and safer. Stay tuned as we review and rank the best options available today. Number 1. Uniden R3 Extreme Long Range Laser/Radar Detector, a top choice for drivers seeking advanced protection and performance. This radar detector is engineered with an ultra-sensitive receiver to provide exceptional long-range detection, ensuring you're always aware of speed traps and red light cameras well in advance. Featuring built-in GPS, the Uniden R3 allows for precise location awareness and enables advanced features such as GPS lockouts, which eliminate false alerts from known sources. The detector's OLED display is easy to read and provides clear information, making it simple to navigate through settings and alerts. Designed for effectiveness, the Uniden R3 comes with advanced filtering capabilities to minimize false alerts from other vehicles and roadside sources. Its voice alerts keep you informed without needing to take your eyes off the road, enhancing safety and convenience. Built to last, this radar detector boasts a sturdy construction that can withstand the rigors of daily use. The included accessories, such as the windshield mount and power cord, ensure a hassle-free setup. Number 2. Garmin zumo XD, the ultimate all-terrain motorcycle GPS navigation device. Designed specifically for motorcycle enthusiasts, this rugged GPS unit features a 5.5-inch ultra-bright display that is glove-friendly and easily readable in any lighting conditions, including direct sunlight. The zumo XD offers turn-by-turn directions and topographic maps, ensuring you never miss a turn whether you're on paved roads or off-road trails. Its advanced navigation features include Garmin Adventurous Routing Term, which helps you find the most thrilling routes with curves and hills. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, the Garmin zumo XD is IPX7 rated for water resistance and constructed to endure harsh weather and rough terrain. Its robust design ensures durability, making it a reliable companion for all your adventures. The zumo XD is packed with features to enhance your riding experience, including live traffic and weather updates, music streaming, and hands-free calling via Bluetooth connectivity. Its built-in Wi-Fi allows for easy map updates without the need for a computer. Number 3. MoniMoto 7 Plus 3 Edition Motorcycle Tracker and Alarm, the ultimate GPS tracker designed for vehicles. This advanced security system combines a powerful GPS tracker with a responsive alarm, providing comprehensive protection for your motorcycle. Its sleek and compact design ensures discreet placement, keeping your tracker hidden from potential thieves. The MoniMoto 7 Plus 3 Edition features cutting-edge GPS technology, offering real-time tracking and instant alerts directly to your smartphone. With its user-friendly app, you can monitor your vehicle's location, receive movement alerts, and track its journey, all from the palm of your hand. Installation is a breeze with a DIY setup, requiring no professional assistance. Simply attach the device to your motorcycle, activate the app, and you're ready to go. Its long-lasting battery ensures continuous operation, reducing the need for frequent recharges. Built for durability, the MoniMoto 7 Plus 3 Edition is designed to withstand the elements, ensuring reliable performance in any weather condition. Its robust construction guarantees long-term use, providing peace of mind that your motorcycle is always protected. Number 4. Garmin DriveSmart 50 NA/LMT GPS Navigator System, your ultimate travel companion offering lifetime maps and traffic updates. Designed for seamless navigation, this GPS system features a 5-inch dual-orientation touchscreen display, providing clear and easy-to-read directions in any lighting conditions. The DriveSmart 50 NA/LMT comes preloaded with detailed North American maps, ensuring you have up-to-date information on roads, points of interest, and more. With lifetime map updates, you can drive assured knowing your routes are always current. Real-time traffic updates help you avoid delays and find the fastest routes, saving you time on every journey. Equipped with advanced features like voice-activated navigation, Bluetooth hands-free calling, and smart notifications, this GPS navigator enhances your driving experience by keeping you connected and focused on the road. Its built-in Wi-Fi enables easy updates without the need for a computer. Durability and reliability are hallmarks of the Garmin brand, and the DriveSmart 50 NA/LMT is no exception. Its robust design ensures long-lasting performance, making it a dependable guide on all your adventures. Upgrade your driving experience with the Garmin DriveSmart 50NA LLMT GPS Navigator system. Enjoy the convenience of lifetime maps and traffic, intuitive design, and advanced features for stress-free navigation. Number 5. The Elebest Rider AM500 is a premier motorcycle navigation system designed for the modern rider. Boasting a sleek 5-inch display, this Android-based sat-nav delivers crystal-clear visuals, ensuring you never miss a turn. Its intuitive interface offers seamless navigation, while pre-installed maps and real-time traffic updates make your journey hassle-free. The AM500 stands out with its robust features, including voice-guided navigation, speed limit alerts, and customizable routes. Its waterproof design guarantees reliability in all weather conditions, ensuring you stay on course regardless of the elements. The sturdy motorcycle mount secures the device firmly, providing stability even on rough terrains. Durability is a hallmark of the Elebest Rider AM500. Built to withstand vibrations and shocks, it is the perfect companion for both long-distance tours and daily commutes. Despite its advanced features, the AM500 is competitively priced, offering exceptional value for its range of functionalities. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a casual rider, the Elebest Rider AM500 enhances your riding experience with its combination of cutting-edge technology, rugged durability, and user-friendly design. Navigate with confidence and ease, knowing your Elebest Rider AM500 is designed to keep you on the right path. Number 6. Spytec GPS Mini GPS Tracker, the ultimate solution for monitoring vehicles, cars, trucks, and loved ones. This compact and discreet tracker provides real-time location updates, ensuring you stay informed and in control at all times. Designed with advanced GPS technology, the Spytec Mini Tracker offers precise and reliable tracking, allowing you to monitor movements and receive instant alerts via the user-friendly mobile app. Whether you're keeping an eye on your vehicle's location or ensuring the safety of loved ones, this device provides peace of mind with its accurate and timely updates. The Spytec GPS Mini Tracker boasts a sleek and compact design, making it easy to hide in vehicles or carry with loved ones without drawing attention. Its robust construction ensures durability, withstanding daily wear and tear and harsh weather conditions. Featuring a long-lasting battery, this tracker ensures continuous operation, reducing the need for frequent recharges. Its intuitive setup and user-friendly interface make it accessible for everyone, providing hassle-free tracking right out of the box. Enhance your security and peace of mind with the Spytec GPS Mini GPS Tracker. Enjoy the perfect blend of design, functionality, and durability, keeping you connected and informed. Number 7. Magnetic Mini GPS Tracker Locator, a top-tier real-time tracking solution designed for cars, trucks, and other valuable assets. This compact and powerful device offers unparalleled tracking accuracy, providing real-time updates directly to your smartphone or computer. Featuring a robust magnetic design, this mini GPS tracker easily attaches to any metal surface, ensuring a secure and discreet placement on your vehicle. Its compact size allows for hidden installation, protecting it from tampering and ensuring continuous tracking without drawing attention. Equipped with advanced GPS technology, this tracker delivers precise location data, allowing you to monitor your vehicle's movements in real time. The user-friendly app offers instant alerts, geofencing capabilities, and detailed tracking history, ensuring you stay informed and in control at all times. Built to withstand the elements, the Magnetic Mini GPS Tracker boasts a durable, weather-resistant construction, ensuring reliable performance in various conditions. Its long-lasting battery provides extended tracking periods, minimizing the need for frequent recharges and ensuring continuous protection. Upgrade your vehicle's security with the Magnetic Mini GPS Tracker Locator. Experience the perfect combination of design, effectiveness, and durability, providing you with peace of mind and real-time tracking convenience. Thanks for watching our review of the 7 best motorcycle GPS devices. We hope this guide helps you choose the perfect GPS for your rides. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gear reviews and riding tips. Let us know in the comments which GPS you prefer or if you have any questions. Ride safe and see you in the next video.